EQT has a mole in this congregation here. And I hope that he calls, that whoever the mole is, makes full report to EQT on what is happening at this committee, at this commission meeting.
Okay. We're going to move on. Appointment of EDA board members. I did? How did I do that? Sorry. Well, excuse me. Where's he at? Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to skip over. I'm sorry. Okay. H, floodplain coordinator, approved pay raise. Okay. I thought we already done that, but Mark tells me we did.
You approved him being a part-time employee. You approved that. The salary was not mentioned
Well, his salary was mentioned in a budget workshop.
Where
but it was still not voted.
it wasn't, my only thing is, didn't the county vote to give all employees a pay raise? Didn't the commission put that in the budget?
We did.
But this one was different.
Yeah, that's a start next year, starts now.
Oh, it starts now, not
That's
July
what I would do
1st?
it.
Oh, okay, then yeah,
This year.
it probably needs to be done. I thought it was with the July 1st budget.
Well, that raises the question, okay? Because I'm not sure if it was supposed to start now. I'm not sure of that. I'm not certain of that. And you know that you was in executive session when we talked, and I don't ever remember saying when it was going to start. Can we discuss that with him, or do we have to go in executive session?
It's a personnel matter, I mean, go in executive session, come back out, and if you have to make a vote on it.
Well, I'd rather go in executive session. I don't want to. Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Sandora, what
Yes.
was published in the paper was that pay raise would go into effect after the new floodplain ordinance was passed and approved. That's what was published in the paper.
Well, we're not sure if that's right. We're going to
I
find
know,
out here in a
I'm
minute.
just,
Thank you. We're going to find out here pretty quick. Yes.
For that big a raise, is he gonna be a full-time employee?
We haven't discussed it. I need a motion.
I'll make a motion to go in executive session.
Made, all in favor, aye. All opposed, nay. Motion carried.
This time I gotta go to the bathroom.
You're leaving this on?
Nope.